好，大家好，又嚟到 Science Channel 嘅時間啦。咁今次係2025年 Breakdowns of the Year，即係今次係負面嘅新聞。咁啊，一睇到個主題啦，就係 Trump's rules at US Science， 係 Donald Trump 咧就影響緊成個美國嘅科學發展。咁我哋睇一睇個內容啦。咁啊，第一樣嘢啦，佢講到其中一個都出名，但係而家已經亦都刪咗嘅一個 department 啦，就係 DOGE，即係嗰個美國政府效能嘅部門。咁啊，佢cut 咗好多 NIH 啦、NSF 啦呢啲 science related 嘅部門嘅錢，咁所以其實佢亦都 cut 埋咗啲人，咁所以其實冇人冇錢，你叫人哋點樣去發展咧？係咪？咁點解會 cut 咧？就係因為嗰啲 project no longer aligned with the administration's priorities， 即係唔再係政府想要發展嘅事情啦。咁另外啦，其實亦都有好多當權嘅人咧，亦都係當然亦都同當權者即係特朗普啦，係會較為親近少少嘅。咁其中一位咧係一啲反疫苗嘅人士嚟嘅。咁當你如果呢啲反疫苗人士係去到一啲 NIH， 即係講緊國家健康嘅部門嘅時候咧，你都可以感覺得到咧，其實你嗰個國家健康部門應該對於疫苗咧就應該會比較保守啲嘅。咁除咗呢啲問題之外咧，我哋亦都有 cut budget 啦。cut 緊嗰啲大學同埋學院嘅錢，咁如果大家有睇新聞嘅話，都睇得到噶啦，就係 Donald Trump 覺得佢哋係非常之左翼啦，咁亦都唔係真係做緊科學發展，咁所以就 cut 佢啲錢，要挾佢哋要去改變啦。咁另外其實我哋要去發展科學都需要學生嘅，咁但係呢啲 graduate students 佢哋嘅嗰個 student visa 咧，咁亦都係喺政府行政上面咧，而家亦都有唔少嘅困難。咁當然啦，我哋 researchers 嘗試即係亦都用翻一啲可能係無論係法律途徑或者其他途徑啦，咁但係唔一定贏嘅，有贏有輸啦。咁但係始終即係當權者亦都係一直以一個減低財政嘅方向去到對付科學嘅話咧，咁對於科學一定係有個負面影響嘅。咁即係講開錢啦，即係呢樣嘢都唔係淨係得美國嘅問題，咁其實係一個 global health 嘅 crisis 嚟嘅。因為點解咧？就係因為富有嘅國家咧，佢哋就cut緊啲對付疾病嘅錢。The wealthy countries slash billions in fundings for organizations that fight disease in malnutrition in other parts of the world。即係我唔再幫其他人啦，我而家冇錢啊嘛，我咪 cut 咯。即係其實美國好、英國好、歐洲好，其實佢哋都 cut 咗好多錢㗎啦。咁先有美國啦，咁另外其實呢度已經講咗好多唔同嘅歐洲國家，咁其實佢哋都一直以嚟都受緊啲財政上面嘅困擾啦。咁佢哋都好想去 cut 呢啲錢，咁 cut 呢啲錢幫。主要係咩病咧？譬如好似 HIV 咁樣，咁佢哋就唔再去幫忙啦。咁但係其實呢啲係啲世界性問題，冇咗佢哋嘅幫忙嘅話，其實科學家亦都要食飯㗎，咁所以我哋搞唔掂咯。咁最後啦，另外一個問題，其實 AI 亦都係一個而家好主要嘅問題嚟嘅，就係有好多 fake 嘅 paper 啦，或者可能濫竽充數啦，我哋叫做。咁而家就突然之間暴升咗好多啦。咁呢度我哋講緊嘅嗰個量啦係急增咗，咁以至去到審題嗰啲人咧，亦都其實做得好辛苦嘅。咁特別就係一啲publicly available health data， 即係可能係一啲入院數字啊，或者嗰度有幾多人病啊。因為其實你只要轉一啲嘅 criteria 啊，或者 correlation， 你叫 AI 去試嘅話咧，總係可以寫到啲嘢出嚟嘅。咁所以就導致第一個通脹啦，即係有好鬼多呢啲咁嘅文章。跟住點解？因為其實科學家都要靠嗰啲文章發表得到咧，我哋先可以食到飯嘅。咁呢啲亦都會令到即係嗰個嘅唔同嘅雜誌啦，都會受到好大嘅編採嘅壓力嘅。咁所以我哋成篇文章咧講緊2025年 Breakdowns of the Year 嘅時候，咁其實個 article 係講咩咧？咁就係講緊 Trump's administration is the major threat for science in the USA, and the Dodge cut budgets and manpower in the name of efficiencies. Vaccine development was burdened. Grants to college and universities were frozen. Graduate students face difficulties in visas. 咁呢啲都係即係特朗普先生啦，令到美國嘅科學發展咧係有佢嘅挑戰嘅。咁另外一個好重要嘅 part 就係 AI-generated papers flooded journals, especially in public health data sector. So I've talked about the reason behind. So if you can relate it, please feel free to comment. 咁我頭先我講嘅時候都有講到嗰個背後原因嘅。咁如果同學們有興趣嘅話，都喺嗰個留言度講翻低，其實點解即係 AI generate 嘅 paper 特別會喺呢啲 public health data 裏邊會特別多咧？So how is it related to me? I admire Trump's determinations in many aspects. However, he is also famous for his aggressiveness towards science. 咁我自己個人都幾中意，或者覺得特朗普先生幾有趣啦，都唔夠講話中意啦。咁但係其實佢嗰個著名對於科學嘅嗰種敵對嘅態度咧，咁我自己對於我自己作為一個科學嘅人員嚟講咧，我自己都係有啲擔心嘅。How is it related to societies? China should take this chance to lead science. We now have everything we need: money, talents, and government support。咁即係我自己係擔心係一件事啦，即係作為一個世界公民咁樣擔心啦。咁但係如果我作為一個中國公民嚟講，我覺得其實呢個對於中國嚟講絕對係一個好嘅機會，因為正正係美國退落嚟嘅時候，如果中國補上嘅位置嘅話咧，咁中國就可以帶領到未來嘅一啲嘅科學發展。咁因為我哋而家有錢有人，亦都有政府嘅 support。咁唔知道即係下年會點啦。不過喺呢度亦都祝大家有一個精彩嘅2026年。咁啊，下次我哋有機會再見啦，拜拜。